Is Brave the safer version of Google Chrome? Or is Brave the next Google Chrome? Is Brave paving the way towards Web 3.0? So many questions, but let's keep them aside for a while and let's talk about what is Brave. Brave is an open source web browser that was launched in January 2016 and is known for its focus on privacy. It is rapidly gaining popularity these days. It has a built-in Ad Blocker Vpn, allows customization, there is improved privacy, faster browsing, and so many more. Built-in VPN. A virtual private network or VPN is a type of network that allows users to securely access a private network. In the context of the Brave browser, the VPN is a built-in feature that provides users with an additional layer of security and privacy when accessing the internet. Users can choose to enable or disable the VPN in Brave, and they can also select from a variety of server locations to connect to. The Brave browser allows users to customize various aspects of their browsing experience to suit their preferences. Some examples of customization options in Brave include homepage, theme, extensions, settings, and many more. Overall, Brave is a promising alternative to Google Chrome that aims to prioritize user privacy and performance. Its built-in features and wide range of customization options make users feel safe, makes web surfing more smoother and faster. So, do you really think Brave is the safer version of Google Chrome? Let us know in the comment section.